Hello everyone, so good evening. I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine. I'm gonna share with you my today's experience, what I did today. Today means 22 March. Today was my PTM. So, I had gone to my PTM and as well as I have gone to MH, Military Hospital, because I have to go to the dentist for my dental checkup. So first of all, I woke up around 7:30. After that, I did my daily chores and I was ready around 8:30. And after that, 1 hour I did time pass. And after that, around 9:30, me and my mother had gone to MH. So after that, the doctor was cleaning my teeth. So I cleaned it. After that, we had gone to our school. So in the PTM, it was good PTM. So like sir was praising me. Like he was very happy with my result. He was saying good things about me in front of my mother. So I was very happy because of that. And also there were many students at that time, so I met my friend also, Ananya, best friend. When I was going after the PTM, then only I saw her. She was coming and she was with her father. So my result was good. After that, I had taken a rickshaw and I came back to home. After that, I was watching phone and TV. After that, in the evening, I had gone to my friend's house, Anushka's house. So tomorrow she is going to her, like she will not be here in Gaya. So today was our last day. Like after that, we will meet on 1 April. The new session will start on that day only. So first of all, I had gone to her house. So on the terrace, we were on her house terrace. We were enjoying like her with her renters, and after that, Kriti, like she is one of my sister, you can say, relative. She is like so. I met her also. Then me, Anushka, and Kriti, we had gone to play. So Aparna was there, Aradhya and Amrit was not there. So yeah, we were playing color and stop, our favorite game. After that, now we will go for playing after Holi only. So we all were just applying abir to each other's cheek to wish Holi. So we celebrated a Holi. After that, electricity had also gone. It was all dark on the road. So after that, me and Anushka and Kriti were playing. After that, we played Holi. After that, not Holi, like we just applied little bit of abir. After that, we had applied little abir on the feet of Aparna's mother also, auntie. After that, she, Anushka and Kriti, they both came to, like I was going home, so she came to see off. After that, she had also gone to her home, and yeah, that's all for today. After that, I had my dinner, and now I had my milk. Now I will go and sleep. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.